Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can generate Amazon affiliate links on your phone. So first of all, for that you'd need an Amazon affiliate or Amazon associates account. And as you can see right here, you'll just simply search Amazon affiliate account or Amazon associates account, and you will just go to this link where it says Amazon associates. Now, if you have the Amazon Associates account already, you can just simply use that in your Amazon Shop app. If you don't have it, then you need to sign up. So you'll just simply press on sign up here, and you can sign in as well if you already have the account. You'd need to fill some of your personal information, and you'd need to follow some prompts, which all include adding your personal information such as your address, your card, other personal details that will help you make the Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliates account. And when you're done with that, you can just sign in, or then you will come back to the next step. Once you've created your Amazon affiliate account, you will just simply sign in from here, add your details, and after that, when you're logged in, then you will go on product linking, which will basically on the menu, when in the product sector you will see product linking, and from there you'll just simply select product links. Now in product links, of course, you can find the Amazon associate site stripe, and you can generate links. So it's a simple process, and that is all you need to do. Just first of all, you can just sign in if you already have an Amazon Associates account, and you can sign up from this website right here. Then you can sign in, go to product linking, and then select product links and go to Amazon Associates site stripe to generate links. And that's how you can generate Amazon affiliate links on your phone. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.